So the last thing that I'll cover in the DiVA interface is specifically on this create page. I'm going to talk about what each one of these buttons does while you're on this page. So let's start with each individual file. If you click on each individual file, it will just open it up. So for instance, like I did before, if I clicked on the playout, it opens up that playout to allow me to edit it. But each one of these files also has a check mark up here in the top right that you can check mark. If I do that, you'll have these options over here in the top right. You can select all of them. Remove will just delete those files from the player. Backup will download all of those files into a backup file that you can put on your computer. This is useful in case your player has issues and it needs to be reset or reverted back to factory default. You can then upload this backup just like a video or an image and put all the same content that was on your player back on the player. And it'll save you a lot of time. So if you want, you can delete some of these if you'd like. Every page in your interface will also have this help button that you can click on, and this will just give you a short tutorial on things that you can do on that particular page. So this is also another nice little guideline that you can use while you're using the interface. Over here on the left side, you can upload media here. You can create a new playlist, a new playout, pretty self-explanatory. These are the different view types that you can use to look at all your files. So right now it is on this larger, medium-sized thumbnail. You can do a large thumbnail, smaller thumbnails. You could also do list view, which tells you what type the files are, and then any keywords that are associated with those, which will then transition into the last thing that you can do in the interface, and that is assign keywords. So if I were to open up one of my images or videos, you can rename the file here and then assign keywords. So here I could do, I don't know, landscape, and you can assign, any type of keyword that you'd like and then hit save. The benefit to this is when I come back to the create page, you can utilize these filters over here in this search bar. You can filter out specific types of files. If you only want to look at your playouts, you can select that. You can also use this search bar and type in a keyword that you've used, so landscape, and now it will show you only the files that you have associated with the landscape keyword. So if you've got a lot of files on your player and you need an easy way to get to the specific ones that you want, you can utilize the keywords to make it easier for you. Thanks very much for watching.